here's the road home. I parked the truck at the neighbor's house because I'm pretty sure that I wouldn't be able to make it up our road because it is, as you can see, a frozen, muddy mess. But my goodness, it is absolutely gorgeous out here. So I'm recording this to see, you know, basically how long it'll take me to walk down here in the morning to get the truck if I decide to go to work. Slush, 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 slush. I don't know if you can see. Golly, look at that. Everything's just covered in ice. Just, you can hear it creaking. It is so gorgeous out here. So gorgeous. Look at this. Man, this is pretty. So this is the first time since I've been working out where I work that they have sent us home early because of bad weather. I've been there for 13 years. And yeah, this is the first time they've ever called it off. So it's really not that bad. This is just a nasty road. And I mean, it is a little bit cold out. But this is it. Yeah, this is, I don't know if you can see how muddy it is. A little bit of gravel up here, so it's not as bad. You hear that? And there's still, it's still raining, so everything's getting saturated. Oh man. You can hear all the ice cracking off the trees. Look at this, people. This is what we got. Yeah, the road's a little bit better up here at the top. There, about the middle of it, it's pretty bad. It's just saturated. You can see the ice that's on the fencing. fence on all the barbed wire. Like everything's just got icicles. Well, about a 5-minute walk, that's not bad. Of course, the whole yard's covered in water now and ice. But I'm home early. Wow, look at that. You hear the tree cracking. Woo. But I'm home. That's that.